In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Gemini AI. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, and by the end, your Gemini experience will display and respond in the language you prefer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is just the quickest and most reliable way to get to the official Gemini page. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You'll see results appear almost instantly. Look for the official Gemini site from Google and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with the Google account you want to use. Using the right account helps your preference stick the next time you return. Once the Gemini page is open, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find a three-dotted icon there, sometimes labeled as More or represented by a vertical ellipsis. Click that icon to open the menu. In this menu, select Translate. This option makes it easy to switch the interface and content language without leaving the page. After you open Translate, look again for the three-dotted menu within the Translate controls. Click it and choose the option labeled Choose Another Language. This is where you'll see a list of available languages. Take a moment to scroll through and select the one you want. When you pick a language, the page will update to reflect your choice. Depending on the language and your browser, you may see the interface, prompts, and responses adapt to that language. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to refresh, or try reloading the tab. Also, make sure you're still signed in to the same account, as language preferences can be account-specific. If you don't see the Translate option in the menu, check that your browser is up to date and that you're on the official Gemini site. Some features can look slightly different depending on region or device, but the menu and language selector are consistently found in the upper right area. From now on, Gemini will respond and present content in the language you chose. You can repeat these steps anytime to switch back or try another language. It's a good idea to start a new conversation after changing languages, so the interface and responses are fully aligned with your selection. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Google Gemini, opened the official site, used the three-dotted menu to access Translate, chose another language, and picked the one you want. You're all set.